Data from the CDC reveals the measles outbreak in the upstate has the highest number of cases in a single year in the U.S. in more than 30 years. 7 News' Julia Keener has the latest from state health officials.
The State Department of Public Health now says there are 16 confirmed measles cases in the state. 12 of those are linked to the ongoing outbreak in Spartanburg County. These numbers underscore what health officials have been saying. Measles is highly contagious and can spread fast, especially in communities with low vaccination rates.
We have never seen an outbreak happen quite as quickly.
5 new cases were among people exposed in school settings. And even though that might sound like a big jump, DPH is calling this a successful public health outcome. Why? Because quarantining worked.
Because they were quarantining at home before they became infectious, no additional exposures occurred.
It does show that the department has resources to respond when this happens.
However, the upstate has the lowest student vaccination rate in South Carolina.
The coverage within a school setting itself is really very important.
According to DPH, only 92.8% of students in the region were vaccinated for the 2024-2025 school year.
It's important to note that the measles virus won't be contained within schools, within school districts, or by county lines. But the MMR vaccine, by providing lifelong immunity to the majority of those vaccinated, will contain the virus.
Doctors say since 2020, the coverage rate for all vaccines has steadily declined.
I think that school districts have allowed a lot of exemptions for parents who are not wanting to vaccinate their children for either religious or personal reasons.
In response, DPH will offer free vaccines through its mobile unit in Spartanburg starting this Thursday and will be there for a whole week.
What we want people to pay careful attention to is that the complications from the disease itself far outweigh any rare adverse events that might be associated with the vaccine.
Reporting in the upstate, Julia Keener, 7 News.
Officials are still urging anyone at Crunch Fitness on South Pleasantburg Drive who was there on September 30th between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. to reach out to your healthcare provider if you think you might have been exposed. And for more on the mobile units that Julia mentioned coming to Spartanburg County, head to our website. You can see all the locations and times on WSPA.com. Just click on links we mentioned under the News tab.